So here it is. We have the WHID injector connected to the target over USB. You're connected to the Wi-Fi network of WHID injector. Now we start the app. First time you start it, you will see a sort of tutorial. So here we scroll over the slides of tutorial. Once the tutorial is done, you have access to the main menu where you can, write, on the fly payloads. Here are some shortcuts like for different OSs. Here you have your payloads. Paul decided to add a bunch of very cool scripts I suggested to by default. So like, some cool stuff that is already there. You just need to modify according to your needs. Otherwise, it can also retrieve the payload stored in the WHID injector. So you will see here in this menu. Otherwise, you can live payload. In this case, let me pick some other funny one like kiosk attack, which will turn on the virtual keyboard. So if I press send, the command is successfully executed on the victim, and usual thing, but you can control remotely over the app. Here, advanced settings. So you can modify the settings of WHID injector, like username, passwords, payloads, delays, SSID, fees, acting as access point or client mode. You can change IP configuration, reboot format, upgrade over the air. And here, nice, what I like is this with connection LAD. Let's say when it's blue is connected, when it's red you have some problems of connection. So you just need to check if whether you're still connected to WHID injector or not. Overall, I really like this application. I'm really happy that Paul helped me to bring it to reality. So kudos to Paul.